Hello, this is the starting of a tornado that is north of us, around over there. This is basically my first ever tornado that I've ever had and lived through. Though the tornado's not fully near us, there's still tornado sirens around. In fact, if you wait, I thought I heard some, but look at that. Sorry for my hands being so shaky. It's not my fault. It's my hand's fault. I can't control it. Dear God, that is dark. Darkest I've ever seen. Especially since this is my first tornado I've ever lived and knew about. That was around when I was, well, you know what I'm trying to say. And then there's an idiot driving and another one. They should be happy that the tornado's not near. And I just felt a raindrop. In fact, I think it's time that I need to get inside. Wait, look. You can. Start. Yeah, you can barely see it. But look. Did you hear that? That sounded like a transformer thing popped. Well, I think I should start getting inside now. Okay, bye, guys. Hopefully I don't die or have a coma. If I do have a coma. If I do have a coma, then you'll see me in The Wizard of Oz. Because I'm off to see the wonderful Wizard of Oz.